Hey guys, Val here from PitchGround. Today I'm going to show you YayImages. YayImages is a place to go if you are dealing with visual content. I mean vectors, high-res images, or even video. YayImages is around 13 million royalty-free stock photos and vectors sourced directly from 18,000 photographers from over 145 countries. But what's really brilliant about this thing is its search tool. It's just awesome. You search the image and that's where magic happens. Besides the usual search criteria like resolution or orientation, which we've become so used to, there is a possibility to filter the results by a color, amount of people on the image, or the place for a text. I'm sure that will save you tons of time. Isn't that awesome? And that's not all. There are some partner perks, over $300,000 in discounts from the leading SaaS and cloud hosting companies. Cool, simple, clean, must have. Definitely go check that out here at PitchGround.com.